Why is it that the smallest things can ruin your entire mood? A delay, a message, someone's tone. And suddenly, you're angry. Not just a little, but enough to disturb your whole day. Why do small things have so much power over you? Buddha explained this in a very different way. There's a story. One day, a monk came to Buddha and said, "I get angry over the smallest things. I try to stay calm, but I fail again and again." Buddha didn't answer directly. Instead, he asked the monk to bring a cup filled with water and hold it in his hand. After a few minutes, Buddha asked, "Is the cup heavy?" The monk said, "No." Then Buddha said, "Hold it for 1 hour." After some time, the monk's hand started shaking. He said, "Now it feels heavy." Buddha smiled and said, "The weight of the cup didn't change, but the longer you held it, the heavier it became." The monk went silent. Buddha continued, "Your anger is the same. Small things are not heavy by themselves, but you keep holding on to them. You replay them in your mind again and again, and they grow heavier. That is why even small things start feeling unbearable." The monk understood. Buddha then said, "It is not the situation that controls you. It is how long you hold on to it. That's the truth. You don't get angry because things are big. You get angry because you don't let go of small things. You carry them, think about them, feed them, until they take over your mind. But the moment you learn to drop it early, everything changes. Pause, let it go. Move on, because peace is not about avoiding problems. It's about not carrying them longer than needed. So next time something small bothers you, ask yourself, am I holding on to this too long? Because the sooner you let go, the lighter you feel. If this made you realize something about your anger, subscribe to Insight of Buddha.